Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammed Shahzad. Today we are going to make a multicolor cooling flower frame. For that we need glue, 15 mm die of round. We have to use the cap of the marker, 10 mm round dia, cooling tool and some strips. So let's get started friends. First we need a round of 40 mm. After that we will use the 150 mm strip of green that is we have to make the shape of petal, which is the green one. We use the 15 mm die of marker cap. You can make by yourself, because if you want to do at home everything, you can make it. Just put the glue and make the shape same like a green petal. With the middle one we need 150 mm gray white and 150 mm red strips. We have to make the joint. Use the cooling tool and make the tight roll. And put it like this. The next one we need 150 mm. After that we have to round off 80 mm. After round we put the black color tight rolls. We have to use 150 mm tight roll. Make the tight roll shape and put in the 10 mm die off round and make it also shape of tight roll. As you can see, the same one. The next 100 mm round you have to turn on. After 100 round you have to use the orange color strip 150 mm. Take the middle and make the heart shape with the cooling tool. Just make round little. You have to make it left. Also other side have to put in the same side tight roll and make the heart shape. This one. After that we have to use 150 mm round. These blue edges, if you watch our previous video, you can learn how to make. So I suggest you have to watch that video and make that shape. After that we have to do the red petals, same that dia which we use in the bigger start of the video. 15 mm. Make the round shape. And then press both side edges. Make the petal shape like this. As usual, the red one. The next step, round of 200 mm. After 200 mm, 150 mm strip we have to use to make the purple tight roll. One, you have to put the inner side until half. The other one you have to use the make the tight roll opposite side. That will give it to you the shape of this shape you will get for that. And the last step friends, we have to use 220 mm round. After that we have to use red and green tight rolls. 150 mm strip for that we need, and make the tight roll of red and green both. You can make this one. So friends, we got all our stuff. So I will tell you how many quantity we need, all the things. So I will tell the other one. If So finally friends, we got our stuff. As you can see, I put all the quantity on paper with the petals and tight rolls, all kind of things. So I need to tell you about the size of the rounds, and we have to put the border rounds. First border, we need this one 40 mm. The next one, we need the pink color 80 mm. The next yellow round, we need it's 150 mm, 100 mm, sorry, 100 mm. This one we need 150 mm. The next round is the pink, light pink, we need 200 mm, and the last and bigger round we need 220 mm. So let's get started friends. From the start to until end we have to put all the things on the paper. So let's get started friends. So finally friends, we complete our multicolor cooling flower frame. I hope you like our video. If you like our video, please comment below the video, share the video, subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon that can you find below the video. And if you have any question, please text me freely. I will answer. Comment me, I will reply you. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. And until next video friends, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz. We will meet again, same channel, Art Live with Muhammad Shehzad. Allah Hafiz friends.